around right now. The other vehicles weren't gonna. When I saw them bump, I would lift up my feet.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I'll send him. I'll send him to go.
I would lift up on my seat because I knew I could see a bump coming. So I lifted up on my seat to make sure.
She didn't put his nose down there.
Ask my friend to come back.
I was waiting by
I'll
the
go by the
wall
edge
when
of
he
the road
came
and
out.
see if it's
What's he doing?
He's going around there. I got my paintball on there too.
He's a damn idiot.
Stop walking.
Stay away from the road.
I'm telling you to stop moving. Alright. Can you go over here with me to the light window? I'm going with Kimberly, okay?
You're not going over there.
Let's get my game.
No. You're not going across the road.
There's literally a dust cloud down at the end of the street, so you know Jimmy and Kim had to see it.
Oh, yeah.
He spun out so much there was a dust cloud down there. Kevin looks like he's home, so he had to have seen it. Jimmy and Kim were home, they seen it.
Idiot.